After organizing sporadic tournaments in recent months, the game developer Square Enix organized a special invitation for Dissidia Final Fantasy NT on Wednesday Night Fights in Santa Ana, California. The players, an eclectic group made up of the traditional competitors of fighting games, the longtime Dissidia fans and online personalities, offer a great show, even if there is still room for improvement in the way it is transmitted. The game. The Dissidia franchise manages to stand out in a crowded fighting game genre by giving fans the chance to play as their favorite Final Fantasy heroes and villains in unique battles that focus on air combat. The year 2015, Dissidia Final Fantasy shook things even more by avoiding the traditional one-on-one game for the 3-on-3 team-based match when it was released in arcades, and the next NT release hopes to do the same on PlayStation 4. Square Enix also made changes in the development. Instead of continuing to develop the series internally, he turned to Team Ninja, who applied his experience developing the 3D Dead or Alive fighting games franchise to make Dissidia Final Fantasy a more competitive experience than past deliveries.